Bette and fourth graders. Welcome to Fun Friday with Mrs. Houghton. So today we're going to do a little separating colors experiment. For the experiment, you need a pencil, 4 pretty dark or bright markers. So I've decided to try black, red, blue, and pink. 4 coffee filters. And then you need like 4 small glasses or clear glasses that are kind of short, that you can only need to put like 1 or 2 inches of water in. So then I also have a picture of water, okay? So the first thing I'm gonna do is in the middle with my pencil, I'm gonna write what color I'm gonna try first. So the first one I wanna try is black. So I'm gonna write black kind of there in the center. Do you see that? Okay. So then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put my other coffee filters aside, and I'm gonna draw like a black, thick black circle around where my word black is. And I'm actually gonna go around like 2 times and make it just a little bit wider. Kind of smells good too. I'm borrowing Natalie's Mr. Scent markers. So this one kind of smells like black licorice. Okay, and then I'm gonna set that aside. Okay, then I'm gonna do red. So I'm gonna write red in the middle so we can remember at the end. Okay, and again, I'm gonna color in a big red circle. This one's supposed to smell like cherry. I kind of suggest, I didn't do it, but I suggest that you put some paper, other paper down, because the marker is bleeding through the coffee filter. I'll do that for the next color. So again, I'm just making it, did 1 time around and then just making it a little bit bolder. Okay? All right, we're gonna grab that piece of paper, I think. Sorry. Then we're gonna do blue. So again, I'm gonna write blue there. And then again, just kind of make a big circle around it. And then make it a little bit thicker. It smells like blueberries. And then the last color, you see, definitely bleeding through. The last color we're gonna do is pink. Again, just making it a little bit whiter. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill each glass with about 1 inch or 2 of water. Okay, so I got a pitcher here. I'm just going to fill them up with water. That looks about right to me. It doesn't have to be exact. What you're trying to achieve is that the center of the coffee filter touches the water, but not your colored circle. Okay? So what you're gonna do is now you get to practice your fractions. Okay? So you kind of want to get it into 16ths. So you fold it in half. So that's half. Then fourths. So fold the half in half again. Then fold it in half again. And then if you would unfold it, you would get 8ths. And then try to fold it 1 more time where you get 16ths. And then kind of place it into the water and let it go. I think I might have added a little bit too much water. We'll see. Okay. Again, folding it in half. Then into fourths. Then into 8ths. And then into 16ths. Okay. Got the blue in. Now I'm working on black. 4s. Then 8s. And 16ths. And dip it into the water. And last with the red, again, half. Then 4s, 8s, and then 16ths. I might just dump a little less water into this one because it seems a little full compared to the other ones. So, I don't know if you can see, but do you see the pink is starting to climb up the coffee filter already? Okay. Same with the blue. That dark blue, kind of an ombre effect. The dark blue at the bottom and the light blue at the top. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna let these sit here for about 30 minutes. We're gonna turn on like a little time-lapse video that you can watch at the end of this. And we will see what they look like in about 30 minutes. All right. I get to wait a long time, but you only have to wait a little bit of time. All right. See you in a little bit. So you have now just got to watch the 30-40 minute. We let them be in the water. We did have a little bit of a problem, just to let you know, with the pink one, that it's kind of slid in there. We were trying to move it to get a little bit closer to the camera for you guys. So it didn't get as much spread as we thought the other ones do. Okay, so the first one we're gonna pull out is the blue one, and look, we got some like dark blue kind of leading into purple, and like almost like a greenish blue, kind of a, I think Natalie would call it teal at the very top. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I got some paper towels laying out, and actually just gonna open them up. Okay, and when me and Natalie are in the morning, we will, after they dry, we will pinch them together from the top to the bottom and put a little pipe cleaner, and we'll make little butterflies with them, and we'll just share with you a little picture of that when it's over. So here's the pink one again. Like we said, we had a little issue with this one. It kind of fell in the water. So again, we're gonna open it up. It also said you could have them dry on newspaper, if you have that at home. So this one just kind of stayed pink, and it kind of spread a little too fast. The red one, look how much red. So you can definitely tell it's a primary color. The red was really only made up of red. And you can see how much it's spread up to the top. Looks like a rose, in my opinion. Okay. The last one, my favorite one, is the black, okay? So you can see some colors of purple and blue and teal at the top. It's so pretty. Now, just like with anything, my hands are kind of turning a little bit of the colors, like when you're playing with food coloring dye, okay? And I'm gonna try my best to not get them to overlap too much. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna let these kind of sit here and dry overnight. So have a great day. I hope you enjoyed our fun Friday. So you give an experiment, you try. Maybe add a little less water, maybe try different colors. What does orange separate into? Okay, it'd be fun to find out. All right, Have a good day. I will take a pictures of close up for you guys at the very end. All right. Have a good night.